Hello everyone, my name is Madhur Kumar Sharma. I am student of BTech Biotechnology. Today I am going to present a presentation on marigold. Before starting, I would like to thank our course instructor Dr. Prashant Bakshi for giving me this opportunity. Let's begin with content which we will study about marigold today. That is introduction, climate, soil, varieties, propagation, selection of site, spacing, intercultural operation, pinching, harvesting, insects, pests and their control, diseases and their control, seed yield, flower yield and packaging. Introduction. Marigold is one of the most important flowering annuals cultivated in India. It has gained popularity on account of its easy culture and wide adaptability, wide attractive colors, shape, size and good keeping quality. The cultivated marigold species are mainly two. Those are African marigold Tags erecta and French marigold Tags patula. Climate. Marigold requires mild climate for luxuriant growth and flowering. Mild climate during growth period 14.5 degree to 28.6 degree Celsius greatly improves flowering, while high temperature 26.2 degrees Celsius to 36.4 degrees Celsius adversely affect flower production. Depending on environmental condition, marigold can be grown 3 times in a year: rainy, winter and summer seasons. Planting of African marigold after first week of February and before first week of July greatly affect the quality and yield of flowers. So staggered planting between first week of July to first week of February at monthly intervals assures supply of flowers to market over an extended period from October to April. However, maximum flower yield can be obtained from September planted crop. Soil. Marigold is adaptable to different types of soil conditions and thus can be grown successfully in wide variety of soils. However, a deep, fertile, friable soil having good water holding capacity, well drained and nearer to neutral in reaction, pH 7.0 to 7.5 is most desirable. An ideal soil for marigold cultivation is fertile and sandy loam. Varieties. African marigold. First, Pusa Narangi Ganda. The average plant height ranges between 60 to 70 centimeters. Flower are double type, orange colored with 6 to 7 centimeter diameter. It takes 125 to 135 days to flower in plains. The potential yield of fresh flower is 250 to 300 quintal per hectare. Second, Pusa Basanti Ganda. The average plant height ranges between 60 to 70 centimeter. The potential yield of fresh flower is 200 to 250 quintal per hectare. French marigold. Pusa Arpita. Deep orange color variety suitable for planting during rainy season is plain or low hills. The variety flower during December to January. Propagation. It is mainly propagated through seeds. However, vegetative propagation through cuttings is also possible. Selection of site. A sunny location is ideal for marigold cultivation. Under shade, it produces more vegetative growth and do not produce any flowers. Highest yield are obtained when planting is done during August to September. Rainfall during rainy season and high temperature during summer will affect the flower quality. Spacing. Proper spacing between plant is required for better development of plant and higher flower yield. The following spacing is recommended for marigold. First, African marigold 40 into 30 cm or 60 into 30 cm. Second, French marigold 20 into 20 cm or 20 into 15 cm. Intercultural operation. In marigold, control of weeds is an important operation. If the weeds are not removed in time, a great loss would occur in terms of growth and productivity of marigold, particularly during rainy season. Hoeing and weeding should be done 3 to 4 times during the crop period to make the soil loose and weed free. Chemical weed control is also recommended. Pinching. In tall cultivars of African marigold, Plants first grow upward to their final height and later on produce a terminal flower. After the formation of terminal flower bud, axillary branches develop which also bear flower. However, if the apical portion of shoot is removed early, large number of axillary shoot arise resulting in well-shaped bushy plant bearing more number of uniform sized flower. Removal of apical portion of shoot is known as pinching. Harvesting. Marigold flowers are plucked when they have attained full size. Plucking of flowers should be done in cool hour of the day. The field should be irrigated before plucking so that flowers keep well for longer period after harvest. Plucked flowers are collected in polythene bags or bamboo baskets for carrying to markets. Insects, pests and their control. Cutworm. Larvae feed on emerging shoot at night. Grown-up clay-colored larvae cut plant at ground level. Plants are vulnerable to attack up at 3 leaf stages. Poison bait consisting of malathion at 0.1% in wheat bran and molasses are scattered in the field to control larvae. Spray of methyl parathion or quinalpos 0.05% protect foliage. Aphids. Aphids mainly infest lower surface of flower and base of petals. Nymphs and adults suck the cell sap from the flower, causing discoloration and withering. Diseases and their control. First, damping off. The symptoms appear as brown necrotic spots girdling the radicle, which later on extend to plumule and causes pre-emergence mortality. Seed treatment and drenching of nursery bed with carbendazim 2 gram per liter, metalaxyl along with mancozeb 2.5 gram per liter, effective in controlling their diseases in nursery. Repeat drenching at 10 to 15 days depending on disease severity. Second, leaf spot and blight. The symptom appear as minute ash grey or brownish to black circular spot on leaf, which enlarge at later stages of infection, leading to premature defoliation and death of the plant. Seed yield. Seed should be collected only from winter crop. African marigold 120 to 150 kg per acre, French marigold 400 to 500 kg per acre. Flower yield. The yield of flowers in African and French marigold not only varies with cultivar but also cultural practices include planting, spacing and fertilization show two marked variation in flower number from 6 to 8 million and from 1.5 to 2.5 million per hectare in French and African marigold respectively. The corresponding ranges of variation in the weight of flowers were 8 to 12 tons per hectare in French marigold and 11 to 18 tons per hectare in African marigold. Packaging. After harvest, flowers are packed in moist gunny bags